Hey guys, Tin Man the Disney Fanatic 2001 here. And today in this video is my long-awaited toy review on the Sesame Street Sing and Snore Ernie. Before I actually get into reviewing this, I just want you to know I'll give you the results on my yard sale. My results on my yard sale are pretty good actually. I made a very good amount of money. If you saw my community tab, you'll see that I made a very good amount of money. Which is why that's going to be for my trip to Boston, Massachusetts. Which, I'll explain the video schedule details at the end of the video. So anyway, without any further introduction, let's get started with the toy review. So here is the front of the box. Which is very nice. It's got the background there with the bed and stuff, and it has the little toy shelf. And you see there's his rubber ducky right there in this picture of Bert and Ernie. And there's a nighttime sky right here. See, there's that side, and there's the little target, and with the little darts on it. I think is pretty nice. And so there's the front, and here's the top. It says Sing and Snore Ernie, Sesame Street, and this product is made by Tyco. Here's the bottom, which has a very nice picture right here, and it was copyrighted 1996. Of course, it's on 1996, Tyco Preschool Toys, Inc. And it does require 3 AA batteries, which are included. And yes, I did replace them a couple years after I got this toy. So this toy is about 27 years old. Oh, no, actually, it's 26. Sorry, thinking of the wrong date. So there's that. And here's the side, which shows the back of Ernie's head, right here. And there's the other side, which has Ernie's bunny slippers, which is very nice packaging there. And here's the back. And the instructions for this toy are: squeeze Ernie's hand and he talks. Pull down Ernie's eye mask. Lay him down and he starts to sing, Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Soon he begins to snore with surprise tummy action. Pick him up and he says, I feel great. And yes, he does have talking and singing Ernie with magic tummy action. So anyway, let's not wait any longer. We're gonna get this opened up, and we will have ourselves a look at the Sing and Snore Ernie. So definitely some more toy reviews to come. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Okay. So now that I got the Ernie out of the box, let's finally take a look at the figure that comes in this box. Now, as you can see, Ernie is definitely soft. His feet are super soft. His legs are super soft. His arms are super soft. This one hand is just a different hand. While this one has the button inside. Right here. And right here is Ernie's eye mask. As you can see right here. And here's his actual face. And his hair is like something from a fuzzy blanket. So it's really cool. It's not just a solid piece. Kind of gives that added feel like it's an actual fuzzy blanket. Or a pillow, I guess. But there's the figure. Quite nicely detailed. And on the back, and there is this little tag See right here. It's made by Tyco from 1996. And right here is his battery compartment. You can see there. I don't think you could see this very well, but trust me, it's right here. It's where it will require 3 AA batteries. And on the front is the speaker that the sound would come out of. Now, I actually got this one from my uncle who has the same name. Alright, so I'll put Ernie's eye mask on. Let's see how it works. Alright, so once you have the mask on there, you press his hand and you'll hear him sleep.
I'm so sleepy. I need a nap.
And soon you will hear the snoring sounds, and you'll see how tummy action works.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
As you can see, that device works really well. Let's pick it back up, and he should say the line.
I feel great.
That's really great. And the voice that you heard is Steve Whitmire, which is the person I grew up with. The voice. He's Ernie, which I remember his voice from the season 30 episodes, which they are nostalgic in my opinion. So anyways, that about does it for my tour review on the Sing and Snore Ernie. And stay tuned for my next video, because my next video will be my post-DVD update for September 17th, 2022. Which will happen, which will be 11 days before my last DVD update for then. But I believe my next DVD update will happen October 31st. So for my next video, and schedule-wise, will probably be well, after that DVD update will be a sneak preview for Toontown Stories Episode 3. Be sure to stay tuned for that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Peace out, cartoon fanatics.